Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, first of all, open a new tab and I'll teach you how you can earn money from shopper.com. So just go search for shopper.com and then just open it. Teach you how you can earn money from shopper.com. So just go search for shopper.com and then just open it. There is a extension available for the same, and you just need to open it. There is a extension available for the same, and you just need to open a new tab, and this is the extension guys, and you can just open it from here. And to add this, you'll have to just go to Chrome Web Store. Just type in Chrome Web Store and open the first one and let it open, and select the Chrome Web Store. Just open it and then search for shopper.com. Just a second, I'll just type it in. And guys, and just click enter, and as I have already added it, it's showing me rate it option. So basically the extension will be towards the top right. Just go ahead, open it, and you will have to sign up. And as I already signed up, it's showing me this screen. Now you just have to head over to the next tab and then just check out all those options. There are a lot of options. You can add a new coupon, and as well as you can add a new store. I had added 2 to 3 stores. I think you can see that on the dashboard. For now, I'll just show you this. You have to just fill in these things and then just click add changes, and then add coupon, and then you can just earn money. And to withdraw the money, you will have to first let's check this out, and then let's head on to the payment option now. And here you can see you will get a $50 or 0.50, that's 50 cents as the bonus for joining. And then you have to select the payment option, either PayPal or e-check. So I chose PayPal, PayPal, sorry.